this information. So to see that
akakiiko k'ishengyero ak'ebiragiro kataire office ya karishorisho wa gavumenti ahabwa itaagi rya Mbarara okushizuma emirimo eyi barikukora hamwe n'obuzibu obu baine.
So twija kwetegereza omurimo gukorwa aha omu region egi kutunga report yabo kandi okumanya ebizibu biri nkahi habwenki obushumanguzi nenga corruption bweyongeire omu ihanga omu Abahango n'omu bakye omu byaro n'omu matawuni ebyamataka mu district mbwenu twija kumanya ekizibu kiri nkahi.
Abanyakakiiko aba bariko kukwatwaho ahabwa obushumanguzi obweyongeire omu ihanga aho projects nyingi za gavumenti nizifa kandi ezindi zikorwa kubi.
They don't go for serious cases. The net is big, yes, but I want to see big fish in the net. I'm tired of mukene. And most of your cases, you lose them.
What the contractors are doing, they connive with the districts, they connive with other people from the ministries, and someone who is given work of 1 billion is going to ensure that he does that work at 400 million, and the balance is just shared.
You chicken out quickly on so many occasions. You actually fear your own image. Before once somebody says, oh, this is a case of State House, let me be direct. You don't go there.
Abanyakakiiko hona nabo bayoreka obutashemererwa ahabwa enshonga y'amabaati ga Karamoja okweriyo neetwazibwa.
For now, I don't think we can authoritatively talk about what has happened to those iron sheets, because it is actually true that while the iron sheets of Karamoja could have been mismanaged, there were also iron sheets for other regions.
Yeah, why not?
So we need to filter out and say which iron sheets were properly managed, which ones were mismanaged.
Ekyamazima buli omu ekintu ekinkyumusasa konka ninyenda kuhurira ebigambo ebi kandi kuba nibyo naatwara abanyarwanda tube turinzire kucwamu omushango katubanze tuhurire report bakore investigation eri thorough.
Ekitongore kya karishorisho ahabwa itaagi rya burengero izooba nikitunga miliyoni 10 zonka buri kwezi okukora emirimo yakyo ekimaneja ari kugira ngu ninke munonga.
Kumaliza investigation egende mu court kiba kyetaaga omuntu ennaku entinenyo zizokwenda ku 20 abadde kukweseeyo yokka for that 20 days. Kati bwe tugamba nti omuntu bwagenda ennaku 5 abanga agenza okukola preliminary investigations abatasobola kukola investigation n'agimaliza ennaku 5. So kitudde tugamba nti singa sente zituweebwa zeeyongerako ofisa nabanga asobola okugenda bufuzi ennaku esukka mu 5 tugambe ennaku nga 10 keesi bwebanga teri complex nnyo aba asobola okudda nga agimaze bweba eri complex era ajja kuba yeetaaga ennaku endala.
I'm even tired of these procurement procedures. I can do my house at 300 million, but when you go through procurement process, I need 1.3 billion. It's unnecessary. There is no value for Uganda's taxpayers' money.
Abakakiiko baraganisa okutwara ruponta obwo bagenderire okurwanisa oburwenguzi obweyongiire omu ihanga erya Uganda. Yashabwa Aiden Bataringaya.